Hi everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to be talking about the advantages of CPA marketing if you are just starting out in the online space. So what is the big opportunity for you if you are somebody who is just starting out? Let's dig deep. Number one, you don't need your prospect to purchase. So, in order for you to get paid from the CPA network, you don't necessarily need any prospect or customer to buy something through your link. They don't need to do that. They can just fill up a few details and you can, bam, just get paid. Another reason is that companies are investing heavily on online lead generation. Companies such as Netflix, Walmart, EA Games, supplement company, other companies, they are investing heavily on online lead generation. The companies have realized that this model is one of the most profitable model in the long term, because when they're paying affiliates just to generate sales, they get few potential customers, the ones who have already bought the product. But when the company pay affiliate to generate leads, then the affiliate sends many potential customers to the company. And if the company do a good job on their side, they can turn those leads to long-term, very profitable customers. So that's why they are investing heavily on lead generation. Of course, if those companies are investing heavily on lead generation, this means that there is a lot of money to be made in this industry by the affiliates. Another reason is CPA gives out higher payouts. So whatever strategy we use to acquire traffic and leads, there is only one thing in our mind, that is the revenue. Among the most popular advertising model, CPA has the advantage as it offers best revenue. We can get $1 to $3 or even more for an action as simple as a click and sign up, and as much as $140, $150, and even more for sales and other long-term actions. Another reason is there are a lot of offers to choose from. There are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. Realizing the cost effectiveness of this affiliate marketing model, a lot of companies are releasing their own CPA affiliate offers to gain new leads for their business. This makes a large variety of products and services available for interested affiliates to choose from. This is also explained in reason 2, that companies are investing heavily because this online marketing strategy is very profitable, and because so many companies are investing, you have a lot of offers to choose from. Another reason is you don't need to be technically savvy. In order to success with CPA business, we don't need to know complicated JavaScript program, HTML program. We don't need to master all these things. We don't need to be a website guru or something like that. We can be regular guys and gals doing a regular thing, and we can still be successful with CPA. There are many cheap tools in the market which makes our job extremely easy, and we should use it. Believe it or not, I am using InstaBuilder, and this is so easy to use, and a lot of marketers are using InstaBuilder. It's extremely easy to use. I have a friend who learned HTML language. One of the reasons he learned was he is a geek and he likes to learn things. He is also in CPA. So while he was learning HTML language, At that moment, I was doing my landing pages and website with InstaBuilder, and then we exchanged our website just to have a look. I saw his website; these are simple, and then he saw mine as well. And then he asked me how I made it, and then I told him that I used InstaBuilder, and I showed him a few examples. And his mind was so blown away with the simplicity of this tool, and the websites also look great. Now he learned it because he's a nerdy guy, he's a geek guy, so he learned it. If I had to learn it, I would have never done it. So we don't need to have any sort of coding language knowledge in order to be successful with CPA. If you have the knowledge, that's good. If you don't have the knowledge, still good, because there are tools in the market which can replace all these things. Another reason is mobile traffic has grown in recent years and is still growing like crazy. More and more people are accessing internet using their mobile devices. This has totally changed the game for online marketers. Mobile traffic is different from desktop traffic. The mindset of someone in their mobile is different. When we use mobile traffic, we are communicating with people who are not on a buying mode. On mobile devices, people are not looking for something to buy. They are just using the phone to get a quick piece of information, or just to talk to their friend, or just to see their friend's update. If we expose them to a long sales page and expect them to take their credit cards out, this will be a difficult task for us. I'm not saying this is impossible, but this is going to be relatively difficult. Now, on the other hand, if we expose them to simple CPA offers, it will be easier to convert. We can expose them to just install an app, or fill out some information, or just to push a button, etc. And you can earn a generous commission. You can get people to do things that they would naturally do in the internet, even on a mobile device, and you can get them to do those things through your link, and you can earn a generous commission. So these are a few reasons why you should start CPA if you are a beginner online marketer. CPA is simple, easy, very straightforward. The learning curve is not much if you are dedicated. Once we start putting up campaigns one after the other, this is going to become your second nature. How to put up campaigns, how to make landing pages, how to test different offers, how to read the campaigns. What is not working, just take it out. What are working, just push it, push it, push it. Once we do this a few times, this is going to be our second nature, and this will be a lot easier for us. Thank you for seeing the video.